Welcome to Time-lapse What? I hope you've been enjoying all the videos I've been making. There's over 100 of them now. Make sure you like and subscribe, and please comment on what you'd like to see in future Time-lapse What videos. Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you for watching.
Please comment on anything you like, whether it be if you like the video, an idea for future videos, a criticism on how I can improve, because anything and everything will help me grow this channel to what I dream of.
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you would like to see more videos, go check out the playlist section. Thank you. See you next time. Time-lapse, what?